Hi everybody, we are so ready for something new. So on Monday, I've got a new WhatsApp Lift Lean group starting. So if you've not done a WhatsApp group with me before, they are amazing. You get your 7-day shopping list, a 7-day meal plan. You get your 7 days of recipes, so breakfast, lunch and dinner, and lots of options. We have a plant-based option as well on this time. And this is called the Lift Lean ABC, and that means abs, back and core. So you will find 7 days of 10-minute workouts that are all the brand new, all focusing on abs, back and core. So you'll need an activation band, you'll also need some dumbbells, and if you want to focus on your midsection, your middle, your abs, back and core, then this will be the program for you. It's really fun in a WhatsApp group. If you feel that you need to get back on track with your nutrition, if you need all the latest nutritional tips on weight loss and well-being and mindset and positivity, it's really easy to deliver all that in a WhatsApp group. The night before, you have your workout, you have your nutritional video, and then I come on in the morning, I give you a quick voice note, motivational, and then boom, off you go, and you've got everything that you need. And of course, there's always lots of good banter and chat in the WhatsApp groups, and they're really supportive. So if you're feeling that you've lost your way a little bit with your nutrition, maybe you need to just 7 days to get you back on track, feeling good, feeling positive, getting ready for spring, then definitely give this Lift Lean program a shot. They're always good fun. And 7 days is just enough sometimes to just get that momentum so that you can start propelling yourself forward and get yourself back on track. It's not a detox or anything difficult to follow. It's just really healthy eating, accountability, which makes such a big difference, and then daily coaching, which is really easy to do on WhatsApp because of the voice notes. So any questions, comments, feedback that you have, it's really easy to address them and answer them. So if you want to join me for this brand new 7-day program, 7-day Lift Lean ABC, abs, back and core, leave me a comment and I will set you up with the link. And as always with WhatsApp groups, there is a limit to the amount of people that you can get into the WhatsApp group. So leave a comment and I'll send you the link, and then you can jump straight in. And then I'll start to drip feed a little bit of content this week, a few extra workouts to start getting yourself prepped and ready. And then you'll get your shopping list and you'll get your meal plans, and you can start to get yourself into the right headspace, which is always what you need to do. And if you're feeling that your midsection is always that bit, if you lose weight, maybe it's always the area that's the last to lose weight, or maybe you feel quite bloated or inflamed around your middle, then I'm going to just tweak the nutrition a little bit so that you can really feel that you are losing the bloat and you're seeing some really big differences.